Hello friends, welcome to Queen Bee Paradise. Today's video is all about the most functional space of my home. It's my kitchen utility tour. We have a very narrow utility area which doesn't look so beautiful, but it's very functional. In such a small space, I've organized many things in a very functional way. This video includes a lot of useful organizing tips for you, so please watch the video till the end. Before getting started, subscribe to Queen Bee Paradise and hit the bell so you won't miss any new videos from this channel. Our kitchen utility is a very narrow space. It's only 3.5 feet wide. We have utilized this space to the maximum extent possible, but still we have some free space to stand and work comfortably. When we enter the utility area from the kitchen, we will first see the washing machine placed under the granite slab. It is such a space-saving idea, isn't it? Above that, on the top of the granite, I have placed my wet grinder. All of us know how messy the place can become when we grind batter in the wet grinder. Since this messy work is done at the utility, I am able to maintain my kitchen space neat. Since I have a sink nearby, after grinding the batter, I can wash the drum here and I will place it on the grill for drying. After the work is done, I just keep it covered. The sink here is bigger than my kitchen sink, so most of my vessel washing happens here. Even when my maid comes, she can just come to the utility and work. I have posted a separate video on this kitchen drain system and how to maintain the sink without clogging, bad smell, etc. Please find the link for that video in the iCard or in the description box. Next to the sink, I've kept these baskets to drain vessels. As I get direct sunlight here, my vessels get dried up quickly. I always put big vessels separately in this basket. Small cups, tumblers, lunch boxes will be put separately in this basket. Spoons, knives, etc. will be put in this container. This method is really useful when we need to find something in a hurry. I use this cup to take dishwashing liquid while washing vessels. After finishing the work, the scrubs will be put in the sponge drainer for drying. I am finding this product very useful. I will leave the online link for this product in the description box. Check it out. On the right side, there is a cabinet which holds the washing powders and few other cleaning supplies. Above that is the kitchen chimney pipe outlet. Below the sink, we have placed the gas cylinders. It's a safer option to keep the gas cylinders in the utility. You can see a copper pipe connection going inside the kitchen. We have an on-off control knob from inside the kitchen as well. On this side, we have grills. This box type grill is a kind of extension to my utility space. I have placed some tiles underneath so this space can be used very efficiently. I use this space for drying grains. I have tied two strings like this so I can dry my dish clothes and kitchen towels here. I also hang the wet mop here for drying. Now let's see how I've utilized the space behind the door for organizing things. I have placed the dustbins in this place. In our apartment, we segregate wet waste and dry waste in these bins before disposal. On the wall, I have fixed this stainless steel rod. I use these hooks to hang the cleaning mops, plastic brooms, etc. On the top, I've placed the broom. I have used some command hooks to hang the dustpans. On the back side of the door, I've put some heavy duty command hooks to hang these bags. These hooks can hold 2 kgs of weight each. I have used 3 of them. These hooks are pretty sturdy. If you wish to buy online, please find the link in the description box. In this red bag, I've placed some newspapers for dustbins. We may need newspapers for wrapping waste sometimes. It is handy to pick it from here. Behind this, in this white bag, I've placed some large size plastic covers. Small plastic covers are stored under my kitchen sink like this. I've already posted a video on the under the sink organization. Please check it out. You can find the link in the description box. Hope you found the video useful. If you had liked the tip shared, give me a thumbs up and share the video with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.